Hello, Bacha Party. Welcome to this channel. I am Sufyan Sarveh. Today we are going to start our further lecture of Standard 6, chapter number 5th. Clear? So, what we have studied in the previous lecture, let's recall. Clear? So, in the previous chapter, we had given some of the introduction about this chapter. After that, we had completed the activity first. Through there, we had also completed the hand picking method. What is their hand picking method? You have to just collect the impurities, or we can say the different material from the things. Suppose that we had taken one example here that if we have particular one bucket, over there is a different type of fruits like mango and apple. If you want to separate the mango and apple in the different basket, is it possible? Yes. How we can do it? With the use of hand picking method. If you had not seen the previous lecture, go and watch in the playlist. Now today we are going to start the further lecture about this chapter. So today we are start the next topic, which is the threshing. Actually, what is threshing? Why we need the threshing? We know very well that particularly the big thing or the things which is easy to separate, we can do it by the hand picking method. But when the thing is very small and the dust particle or the impurity is also very small, on that time, how we can separate the things? Or if the bundles of things are available in particular one of the object, then how we can separate it? Sir, not getting properly. Okay, let's take one example that is from your activity third of NCERT book. If you are from the NCERT course, you can open your book. On that time you can get it, or if you are from any other course, so you can get it what I am speaking. Clear? Now suppose that we have one farm. Over there is loads of grains are available. Clear? The paddy, wheat, here, and the crops are very particularly manure form. Crop है वो manure हो गए. So we have to cut that, or we can say the harvest of that crop. Now when we harvest the crop, we are not cutting the particular upper portion. We are cut the crop from the ground side. Clear? After that, what we are doing? In many of the movies or many of the farm, you had seen that bundles are there, heaps are there. Clear? What is the form of that heap? क्यों वो रखा जाता है? The reason is that behind of that. We know very well that when the crop are in the manure form or where they are connected with the ground, on that time it's greenery form. वो गीले जैसे होते हैं. Clear? After that, when we cut the things, we know very well that when we cut the leaves and after some of the days, when we observe that leaves, what's happened to the particular green leaves? Yes, they become dry. Why? Because they are not getting the nutrients from the ground. So they are dry in the sunlight. Clear? So we have to just harvest the crop and put it in the ground. Okay. After some of the days, when the particularly that crops are harvesting, it become dry in the sunlight. What we are doing? We just doing the freely thrown to beat that particularly crop. वो crop को हम freely beat करेंगे. उसके through हमें क्या मिलेगा? Particularly grain मिलेगा. आपने सुना होगा in that Punjab there is a Lori festival over there. I can give you one photo over here. I have. Look at it here. Clear? Clear? इस तरह से मारते आपने देखा होगा. Clear? So this is the threshing. और मारने से वो ग्रेन अलग हो जाते हैं from the stalk. Clear? We know very well that if this is our string over here, there is a lots of grains are available. Clear? and in particular one portion we are zooming on one portion. This is our particular any of the rice or we can say the paddy, कुछ भी हो सकता है ये. Over there is a chaff is available. Chaff means it's a cover. Yeah. We know very well that when we take the electronic item or when we take the mobile, any of the things, we place it the cover. Why? Because it's not going to be a damage. How we can get the idea about the cover? Yes, from the nature. The things which is available, man-made, they always comes the idea from the nature. Nature में से idea आई है. क्यों? सर इसके अंदर कवर लगा हुआ है. Yes. क्यों? Damage ना हो with any of the insects or through the high amount of sunlight. Clear? Now, when we beat freely to the particular crop or the chaff, मतलब कि ये वाला पोर्शन बीट करेंगे ना, टुप करके सब निकल जाएगा, अलग हो जाएगा. क्लियर? सर कवर नहीं, कवर थोड़ी अलग होगा. क्लियर? अगर आप मोबाइल को गिराओगे, इफ यू थ्रोन द मोबाइल ऑन दैट टाइम, इज इट द कवर इज रिमूव फ्रॉम द मोबाइल? नो बच्चा बाटी, मोबाइल अलग गिलेगा. अगर मैं ऐसा बोलूं कि मैंने अपना मोबाइल एक बुक के अंदर डाला और थ्रो की, so is it possible that book and mobile can be separate? Yes. Is it possible? This is possible that mobile and the book are going to be separate because they both are different things. Like that particular staff and the particular chef, ये पूरा अलग हो जाएगा इसके अंदर से. Clear? लेकिन कवर वाली चीज अलग नहीं होगी. For that we have to go for the further process. Why we need the loads of process? In this chapter there is given some amount of process, but there is a loads of process that we will continue or that we will study in the further classes. Clear? So let us define that what is the threshing. The process that is used to separate grain from starch. Yeah, starch में से this is the starch. From that we are separating the grain, so it is known as a threshing. Clear बच्चा बाटी? Write it in your book that we had completed the portion of a threshing. That what is threshing? Clear? Why we need the threshing? Because in the science each and every things are very important. हर चीज में कुछ होता है, कुछ नशा. अगर आप भी वो fall in love वाले फील्ड साइंस के साथ पाना चाहते हो, जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ. Clear? Now the next topic is about the winnowing. Sir, what is winnowing? Yes, बच्चा बाड़ी. We know very well that each and every process comes after the drawbacks or the limitation. मतलब कि हर चीज एक लिमिटेशन के बाद ही आएगी. Sir, how? Okay. In the hand picking method, we know very that the huge amount or the bigger size of object we can separate it. But when we observe in the ground, on that time we had observed the star. So sir, how we can separate? Because there is a huge ground is available, lots of crops are there, lots of stars are there. How we can separate the grain from the star? So it is next to impossible task. Yeah, nothing is impossible, but so time बहुत जाएगा ना. We have lots of work over here, so we have established some new process. After that कुछ ऐसा हुआ जिसके वजह से ये प्रोसेस की एक लिमिटेशन आ गई. Then we are using the winnowing method. Okay, so what is winnowing method? Okay. First of all, I will write here the define. After that, we will understand that what is winnowing. Clear? Winnowing. Okay. The method of separating component. The method of separating component of a mixture is called winnowing. So from this we can get the idea about it. The method of separating the component of a mixture. So mixture means what? Mixture is a simple thing that the different type of or a different item can be mixed. Yeah, if you are eating the golgappa or any of the things is always prepared from the mixture. If you are thinking about the particularly Chinese item, means Hakka noodle, or we can say the Manchurian rice. How we can prepare it? From the mixture of the things: rice, Manchurian bowl, Szechuan sauce, soya sauce, all the spices, chili masalas. After we can heat, then we can get, means what? There is a lots of things are going to be involved over there. But sir, if you want to separate, then so it is not going to be a separate the prepared thing. Prepared thing को वो separate नहीं करेगा. But the natural thing can be a separated. How? Let's take one example that here is we had taken the we had a separate what starch, clear, and the particularly grain, and we know very well that the grain is always attached with their covers के साथ attached होगा. उसे क्या बोलेंगे? chaff, clear. अब सर उसको हम कैसे अलग करेंगे? So when they crush that chaff, after that okay सर वो आइडिया नहीं आ रहा है, उसके लिए हम इजी आइडिया लेते हैं. आपने सिंग खाई हुई है, ये दालिया और सिंग बोलते हैं ना नॉर्मली, उसे लो, देयर इज वन कवर ओवर देयर, उसको आप घिसो, क्लियर. आफ्टर दैट व्हेन यू प्लेस और ब्लो द एयर, तो क्या वो सिंग के दाने उठ जाएंगे और द कवर इज गोइंग टू बी अ फ्लो. यस, कवर इज रिमूव्ड. क्यों? आपने प्रेस किया, दोनों साथ में ही थे. आफ्टर द यूज ऑफ विंड और व्हेन वी ब्लो द एयर, on that time the cover is thrown outside. Okay, I will give you one example over here that we have one photo. By looking that photo you can understand what is over here. This process you had observed in many of the particular films. Yeah. Okay. So you had observed the picture of that. Now take another example from your book, that is activity. Activity third. Okay. What do you have to do? You have to take a dry sand, clear, and you have to take a powder of leaves. Means if there is dry leaves available, you can make the powder and mix it with the dry sand. Clear? Then you can do it by yourself at your home, because the practical things can give you the better knowledge. After that, what we have to do? Now the question is arise that sir, the size of the sand and the powder leaves both are similar. Is it possible to separate the things? From the hand it is not possible. So sir, how we can separate it? Okay, let's try it. You have to go to the open ground, or you can go to the terrace also. Over there at some height, or you can say at your shoulder height, you have to just take the plate on which the powder of leaves and sands are available. Mixture of powder, leaves and sands are available. Now what we have to do? We have to just slowly down throw the things. धीरे से नीचे की तरफ गिराना है. Now the question is arise that is it the powder leaves and the sands are accumulated at one place or at a different place? आप अपने आप से क्वेश्चन करो कि अगर सैंड को और लीव्स को गिराया, हवा जोर से आ रही है, क्लियर, तो क्या दोनों एक ही जगह पे गिरेंगे? नो बच्चा पार्टी. because sand is heavier than the leaves. Clear? तो sand एक जगह पे गिरेगा. On the same time, the leaves is going to be separate from the different place. So from the winnowing process, we can separate the mixture of a similar size, clear, or of the different weight. तो इस तरह से हम separate करते हैं. Most of the movies, you can watch out this type of particularly observations, or you can do it by yourself at your home. It's a very good process. Clear? तो आपको practically बहुत अच्छे से knowledge आएगा. अगर आप कुछ अच्छा देख रहे हैं, you are with the Sufyan sir with the better concept and the easier example of a science. Do whatever you want to do, man, but don't trouble your parents. Stay tuned with us. Be safe at your home. Goodbye.